Introducing the Verdex Electric Expandable Conveyor with sensor control. Built for warehouses, logistics hubs, and distribution centers, the Verdex Electric Expandable Conveyor features a durable carbon steel roller frame with a zinc-aluminium-magnesium finish, retractable legs, and a compact footprint. It expands from 1.5 to 4.35 meters and can curve up to 180 degrees for flexible layouts. With a conveyor width of 610 millimeters and an adjustable height from 750 to 1000 millimeters, it supports a working load of 50 kilograms per square meter and weighs 156 kilograms. The unit includes 127 millimeter swivel brake casters on every leg for smooth positioning and safety. A 90-watt motor delivers adjustable speeds from 10 to 40 meters per minute, and up to 4 conveyors can be daisy-chained to run from a single power source. Optional Photo Eye sensors provide smart automation, stopping or starting the rollers as goods approach, move between sections, or reach the endpoint. A smarter way to streamline loading and unloading while reducing manual handling. Boost workplace productivity. Call us or visit verdex.com.au to learn more.
Verdex, equipping workplaces.